Questions from general knowledge section. The currency of Saudi Arabia is dash. Options are A. Rial, B. Rupees, C. Dirham, D. Dinar. And the correct answer is Rial. The currency of Saudi Arabia is Rial. Rupees is the currency of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Dirham is the currency of United Arab Emirates. Dinar is the currency of Bahrain, Iraq. So question number 10. Which surah of Holy Quran has 2 times Bismillah? A. Surah Baqarah, B. Surah Toba, C. Surah Al Imran, D. Surah Namal. And the correct answer is D. Surah Namal. In Surah Toba there is no Bismillah. Surah Baqarah, which is known as the biggest surah of Holy Quran. Question number 11. Who is the head of government of Pakistan? A. Chief Justice, B. Speaker of National Assembly, C. Prime Minister, D. Chief Minister. And the correct answer is C. Prime Minister is the head of government of Pakistan. Question number 12. What is the old name of Hyderabad, Pakistan? A. Nerun Court, B. Gandhara, C. Khudabad, D. Lailpur. And the correct answer is A. Nerun Court. Question number 13. Pakistan's national flower is A. Sunflower, B. Jasmine, C. Rose, D. Daffodils. And the correct answer is B. Jasmine is the national flower of Pakistan. Question number 14. Which is not located in Sindh? A. Gudu Barrage, B. Sakhar Barrage, C. Kotri Barrage, D. Chashma Barrage. All first 3 barrages are located in Sindh. Chashma Barrage is not located in Sindh. So correct answer is D. Chashma Barrage.